What's ShapeShifter? ShapeShifter is Studio's most powerful tool. So it takes shapes that you've put in your design that you select. If I click on ShapeShifter, and then it lets you make either a combination or a subtraction of those shapes. Let's see what that looks like. If I click to paint in any of these parts of the shape, let's say I'm clicking them all, and I say make shape, now we've got a new shape that's a combination of that circle and that square. Let's go back and see what else we can do. So if I bring these two shapes into ShapeShifter, I can also just paint in the part of the circle that doesn't overlap with the square. And now if I make shape, it kind of looks like a Pac-Man. So it's just a really, really easy way to make new shapes out of existing ones in Studio. And ShapeShifter also works with Draw Tool. So if I add a line here going across both of the shapes, now if I select that and I also click on the shapes that I want to combine or subtract, I can actually use that line that I've drawn to basically bisect both of these shapes. So now if I click on just these three shapes, I've got what would have been a pretty difficult shape to draw in any other tool.